This pool has been abandoned for years. Cracked tiles, dirty water, completely unusable. The workers arrive,
Today, everything changes.
planning the transformation. This is where it all begins.
First, they drain all the dirty water. Then, the real work starts. Broken tiles are removed, the old structure is demolished, surfaces are cleaned and repaired slowly.
Outcome.
The pool begins to fill with water, slowly rising, crystal clear, as the lights turn on, from ruined to absolutely stunning.